Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. Under this hydrocarbons, today we are going to discuss structure of triple bond and preparation of alkynes, preparation and some physical properties of alkynes. So we know that alkynes are the class of compounds which are having triple bond and the hybridization is exhibited by this alkynes are sp hybridization. sp hybridization means 50% of S character and 50% of P character. Here totally 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds are present. 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds are present. The sigma bonds are formed by the head-on overlap of this vacant orbitals of carbon and 1s orbital of hydrogen. And here also the vacant orbitals of each carbon atoms, p orbitals, the carbon atoms undergoes head-on overlap. Head-on overlap leads to the formation of 3 sigma bonds. So 3 sigma bonds are formed by the 1 orbital of hydrogen and the 2s orbital of carbon, and here also the remaining 3 totally carbon atomic number 6 electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Total 2 hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen atom consists of only one electrons, 1s orbital. So this s and s orbital undergo head-on overlap leads to the formation of the sigma bond. Here this s orbital and one p orbitals of hydrogen involving p orbitals of carbon involving the head-on overlap leads to the formation of these sigma bonds. The vacant orbitals, the remaining orbitals of hydrogen undergoes the linear that is the sidewise overlap or lateral overlap leads to the formation of the pi bonds. And the stability, this alkynes are more stable because this is a linear molecule with bond angle 180 degree. We know that the bond length of alkanes are greater than alkenes, and when comparing with alkynes the bond lengths are also very shorter. That is bond angle carbon single bond 1.54 Armstrong, carbon double bond 1.34 Armstrong, carbon triple bond 1.24 Armstrong. So this is somewhat the structure of triple bond. So simply say the triple bond one sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. Pi bonds are formed by lateral overlap or sidewise overlap of the atomic orbitals, and sigma bond is formed by head-on overlap or linear overlap or axial overlap of atomic orbitals. So this ethane is I already told you, ethane is a linear molecule with bond angle 180 degree. Now the preparation of alkynes. Alkynes are prepared in the laboratory with the help of the chemical compound called calcium carbide. The formula for calcium carbide is CaC2, calcium carbide. This compound on hydrolysis gives the major product is acetylene as the major product. But this compound are not easily prepared, but it is prepared from calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate on heating it gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide is obtained from the calcium carbonate. Once this calcium oxide is formed, it is treated with carbon, it gives calcium carbide and carbon monoxide. Calcium carbide and carbon monoxide. This calcium carbide reacts with water. It gives calcium hydroxide and acetylene as the major product. Acetylene as the product. This is the first method. The second method of preparation is from vicinal dihalide. So, I already told you vicinal dihalide. What is vicinal dihalide? The alkyl in the hydrocarbons. So, two halogen atoms attached to adjacent carbon atoms are called vicinal dihalides. Here we are taking one of the vicinal dihalide called CH2Br and CH2Br. What is the name of the compound? 1,2-dibromoethane is a vicinal dihalide. This compound undergo dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means here on hydrogen, here on hydrogen. So, this bond shift here, this bond shift here. Eliminate the molecule of HBr minus HBr. CH2 double bond CHBr. Another one time again elimination takes place like this. This bond shift here, this bond shift here. So, again HBr is eliminated. We are getting CH triple bond CH. Acetylene as the major product. And also we are preparing this alkynes by various methods, but the methods are not described in your text. So, we are preparing alkynes by only two methods. First of all from calcium carbide and second from vicinal dihalide. Physical properties of this alkynes. Alkynes, like that of alkenes, exist as gases, liquids and solids. The first three members are gases, next five members are liquids, and the higher members are exist in the form of waxy solids. Ethane has colorless odor. Alkynes are weakly polar in nature. They are lighter than water and immiscible with water in all proportions. And that is insoluble in water. Immiscible means insoluble in water, but readily soluble in organic solvents like ethers, carbon tetrachloride and benzene. The melting and boiling point of these alkynes are varies in a regular gradation. As the molecular weight increases, the melting and boiling point of alkyne also increases. So, these are some important physical properties of alkynes. So, in this module we learn about the structure of the alkynes, that is triple bond, and preparation of alkynes and physical properties of alkynes. Thank you.